Hello, this is Lego Man, and today we will be opening up a Pokemon Blister Pack. I've already opened it out of the packaging, but a Blister Pack comes with a promotional card, a coin, and 3 individual booster packs. And this is a Blister Pack from the Pokemon Black and White generation. And so the coin is a Silver Pikachu. Here's the back. And the promotional card is a Gifblim. Holographic Gifblim. Little circle stylus all around it. Yeah, it looks really nice. And onto the booster packs. They're each from a different expansion. They're all from the Black and White generation, but they're each from a different card expansion. The first one we've got is from Black and White Plasma Storm. So let's open it up. Here's the online code. Black and White Plasma Storm Booster. So whoever wants to use the code online can. Do the card trick. Let's see what we've got. Rufflint, Frillish, Zubat, Carvanha, Patrat, Rotom, Lunatone, Vanillish, a reverse holographic Kling, and the rare is a Bear Arctic. That's nice. I'd love that. Okay. Put these cards to the side. And on to the second booster pack. This one is from Pokemon Black and White Plasma Freeze. Here's the online code. Black and White Plasma Freeze Booster. Do the card trick. Let's see what we've got. Polynard, Dratini, Wooper, Sneasel, Chinchou, Jolteon, Miltank, Lampent. The reverse holographic is a Vaporeon. That's 2 EV evolutions in one booster pack. That's cool. And the rare, is a Glaceon. That's 3 Jolteon. That's 3 EV evolutions in one booster pack. That's crazy. Okay. And now we're on to the last booster pack, which is from Black and White Next Destinies. And it has Mewtwo on the front. There's the online code for a Black and White Next Destinies booster. Whoever wants can take it. do the card trick. Let's see what we've got. Muna, Vanillite, Panseer, Valtz, Growlithe, the Trainer Stadium card, Pokemon Center, Nuzleaf, Meanchow. The reverse holographic is a Simisage, and the rare is a Reshiram. That's a legendary Pokemon. Reshiram. 130 health, 20 plus attack, 120 attack. Those are some nice stats. And that's all the cards. It's of course nice to get a promotional card. And the Reshiram is pretty awesome too, because it's a legendary. And it's definitely cool to get 3 Eevee evolutions and then 1 booster pack. The Jolteon, Vaporeon, Reverse Holo, and Glaceon. So yeah, if you like this video, then feel free to check out my other videos and subscribe. This is Lego Man signing out.